Hello people. So in this video I'm going to share one use case with you. Actually, this is not a use case, this is a real life scenario which one of our client shared with me. He was asking as he was closing the book, so he was asking me, hey Ashish, is there any option in Odoo by using which we can settle the invoices and vendor bills? So is there any option in Odoo? Because in India, specifically if I talk about India, there are high chances that your customer can be your vendor and vice versa. So at the end of the month, what happens is we share a customer statement. In Odoo, if I talk in Odoo terms, it's a partner ledger. So in that, there is either a payable amount or there is a receivable amount. Okay. So how we can set, if there is a payable amount, I need to settle the receivable, and if there is a receivable amount, I need to settle the payables first, right? That's why at the end I'm going to see what's the amount. It can be positive, it can be negative. So starting with the company, here you can see I have created a new company, and I'll open my accounting app and I'll show you. As you can see, there is nothing in my balance sheet, it's a clean sheet. Okay. Similarly, for the P&L as well, there is nothing. It is also empty. Now I'll start by creating an invoice. So I'm creating an invoice for a customer that I just created. That is Rasiglala. Let me add a product. Maybe I can just choose a random product. That is fine. And we get 10. Price is 500. Okay, 5,000. That works for me. So I have created a customer invoice for 5,000 rupees on this particular person's name. Now what I will do is I will create a bill for maybe some other product, but I'm going to keep the supplier same as my invoice. Right now here you can see I just have an option to add a label, and I'm not adding any product as of now because that's fine for me. So I'll just add a label. Mm, I bought oil from him. Okay. So one same 10 quantities or maybe 100 quantities and 5. Let's just make it 50. So 5,000 and 5,000. Let me just confirm this. So here you can see 5,000 is here, and in the invoices also there is 5,000. Okay, so 5,000 is payable, 5,000 is receivable. So at the end I won't be paying anything, and also he's not expecting anything from my end. Let us see what is there into my balance sheet. So my balance sheet shows receivable is 5,000 and payables is also 5,000. Okay, that is fine. And the P&L, actually P&L is hit because of the local sales supply and the purchase expense. So anyway, that is not a problem. We will just keep the P&L aside. The main thing for us is the partner ledger. So here you can see in the partner ledger my credit and debit is technically showing zero, so I don't have to pay anything, and also there is nothing receivable at my end, so it's zero. But now what happens is if I open age receivable, here you can see it's showing 5,000, and if I open age payable, it will be the same thing. Also, if I open the customer invoice, so here you can see the status is still posted, it's not yet paid. Similarly for the bills also, it's showing me as posted and not paid. This also should show paid. Similarly my invoice also should show as paid. If not, then there will always be some amount available in the age receivable. System will keep on just saying, hey Ashish, this is something that we need to pay, and hey, this is something we need to receive. But technically if I see, it's already nil. Now how to do that particular entry in Odoo? So for that, Odoo is giving an option, that is review and journal items. Once you click on that, right now this is my clean database, that's why I'm able to see see these entries. But for your ease of access, you can add two filters. Posted is already there. You can add unreconciled. And also, okay, what I can do is, first of all, I'll just group it by partner, and after that I will add that filter that is unreconciled. So I can open this. Now I want to reconcile my invoice against bills. Here we can see debtor and creditor, debtors and creditors. I'll select this, and I am going to reconcile this. This is done. Now if I open my customer and invoices, you can see it's paid. Perfect, this sounds good. Similarly, my bill is also paid. Okay, that was fine. In my balance sheet, here you can see it was showing 5,000 and 5,000. Right now it's showing 0. Here you can see nothing is there. It's being knocked off. Also, there were two entry in age, one in age receivable and one in age payable. So here we can see we don't have anything in age receivable. Similarly, we don't have anything in aged payable as well. Okay, so this is case one. Now you'll be saying, hey Ashish, this is a very easy scenario, man. Like in real life, it doesn't work like that. Okay, let's complicate this a bit more. I will duplicate this one. My receivable is 5,000. Let me just quickly confirm this. Now I will create two different vendor bills. Okay, let me just quickly duplicate this, two vendor bills, and that will be 2,000 each. So let me just add this. So you can see 2,000, one bill for 2,000 is created, and I will just save a bit time here and duplicate this one. So now what I have is, just confirm this. Now I have total three bills, that is 2,000 and 2,000, and this is already paid, so I'm not considering this anymore. So 2,000, 2,000, that is 4,000, and against, again, I want to settle 2,000, 2,000 against those my 5,000. Oops, sorry. Okay, before doing anything, let us just go to the aged partner ledger. So partner ledger is showing me, hey Ashish, you need to receive 1,000 from this particular partner. That is fine, it's still completely logical. And under the age receivable, it's showing same 5,000 needs to be received. Now how we are going to reconcile those entries, right? Journal items. Now here I think now it is becoming a bit more complex and confusing for you. Again, we are going to follow that, which are unreconciled system, please show those only to me, and group it by partner. Now if I open it, here you can see only those invoices and bills which are not reconciled or not matched are available in front of me. So now you can see 5,000, 2,000, 2,000. Select all. In case if you don't want to settle this one, just untick this. And if I click on reconcile, a new dialog box will pop up. Allow partial. Yes, I want to allow partial. Click on reconcile and open. Okay, now let us see what happens to our vendor bill. Bills, perfect, both bills are paid. And about the invoices, invoices partial paid, how much is pending? 1,000 is pending. Okay, let us open the partner ledger. It's showing as 1,000 is pending. Okay, this looks good. What is the receivable? Okay, receivable 1,000 is good to go, and we don't have anything in aged payable. So this is how we can settle invoices against vendor bills. So this is the scenario where I have created bills and invoices for the same partner, but in another test case I'm going to take different vendor, a different partner. I'm going to do the same test case, so I'll be creating another video for that, so stay tuned. I hope this video was helpful and you understood the test case. In case if you have any queries or doubts in this one, or you have another test case to share, I'm always open for new challenges. Thank you.